This is the Redragon CASTOR K631 PRO. It's a 65% wireless RGB gaming keyboard, which you can purchase for around $60 on RedragonShop.com. It supports tri-mode connection technology. You can use it wired using the USB-C connector or wirelessly using the Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0 mode or the 2.4 GHz wireless mode. This keyboard is also fully customizable. Here I will demonstrate how to remove the keycaps, and as the K631 PRO is hot swappable, I will also be demonstrating how to remove and replace the switches on this keyboard. As you can see here, this keyboard comes with Outemu red switches. Unfortunately, unlike other Redragon keyboards on their site, this one only comes in red switches. However, because this keyboard is hot swappable, if you ever want to have a different typing experience, it's super easy to do that, as I will now show. That's how the switches sound stock, and I got to admit, even though I'm not a huge fan of red switches myself, tactile gang rise up, these sound and feel really good stock. I own both the Redragon Vada and Redragon Brahma, and the stock switches those came with were very pingy, but these red switches have no audible ping, which is amazing. Now, as you can see here, the K631 PRO PCB does support both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, which means you have a ton of options for future customization without needing to mod the pins on your switches, something I sadly had to do with the Boba U4Ts when I modded my Redragon Brahma. Also notice that this keyboard has north-facing RGB, so you might get interference with cherry profile keycaps, but the RGB shine-through will be much better. Here I am swapping out the keycaps for the Redragon, putting keycaps in black. I love these keycaps because they really let RGB shine through really well.